पंजाब केसरी। एक बार फिर से मैं नमिता सचदेव आप सबका स्वागत करने के लिए हाजिर हूँ और आज हमारे साथ हैं मिस बॉडी ब्यूटीफुल, यस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी टैलेंटेड मॉडल, होस्ट एंड एक्ट्रेस वलूशा डिसूजा। वलूशा, बहुत बहुत स्वागत, वेलकम टू पंजाब केसरी। हाउ हैव यू बीन?
Thank you very much. It's an absolute pleasure to be here talking to you. I've been well, trying to stay sane, trying to stay positive through this crazy time that we as a human race and as one world are going through. But yeah, trying to stay afloat.
So now should I ask you how's the new normal treating Valoosha, or Valoosha is treating the new normal in a way?
No, I think we are all trying to adjust to this new normal. I think still in my head I haven't been able to wrap my head around it because I guess there are so many responsibilities that each of us has, and a lot of work of course today happens via the phone and on the internet, and like we are having this meeting, a completely new normal. We would have never done it before. We would have always been face to face, but we are adopting the new normal. Even in terms of our shoot, fortunately, we had wrapped up Crackdown before the lockdown, but our dubbing had not been done. So again, we adopted the new normal. Each of us managed to do our dubs and send it across, and then it was all put together, and Crackdown is finally ready for release on OTT. On Group Select on the 23rd September. I love how I managed to get that in here. But yeah, it is a difficult time. It has been very difficult for each and every one of us, and I think moving forward it will continue to be tough as we try to adopt the new normal, and as a human race we try to survive given the situation and given this pandemic and the way it affects each and every one of us. I think personally it has affected us. Professionally it has affected us. It's affected the economy of the country. There are so many daily wage workers that don't know where their next meal is going to come from. So it's a trying time, and I don't know to say if it's going to get easier. I'm just hoping and praying that this virus sort of it weakens, and and we do away with it as fast as we can.
So asking you about the character of yours in Crackdown, I must ask you, how difficult was the dubbings for you at home?
It wasn't difficult. I think again, it's adapting, and we do, as a human race, we adapt really very well, and it's not like you had a choice. We all had to be safe and to be cautious and to be responsible citizens. We had to do our dubs in the best way possible and send them across. So it wasn't difficult. It wasn't difficult. I think this is also teaching us that we can survive, and we will adapt, and we will adopt new ways, but we will survive.
Obviously, human beings can do anything. There are a lot of challenges in life in which we have to be positive. And in this negative door, I personally believe that positivity is the one thing that keeps us going always, है ना? So if I talk about Crackdown, what is your character in the series, Valoosha?
So Crackdown, first of all, I ended up doing Crackdown because it was an action thriller, and action is a genre that I had not explored before. Again, this is special to me because yes, it's the first time I'm doing action, and it is my debut on OTT, so I'm completely excited about this. I cannot talk to you, I cannot reveal too much about my character to you at this point, but it's safe to say that we've trained really hard as far as action is concerned. We've trained over 2 months, all of us together, Saqib, Shreya, Iqbal, myself, and while we were training, and I was training for various types of kicks, I landed very wrong on my ankle very badly, and I ended up I had with a ligament tear that kept me off my foot for 3 weeks, and of course everybody was really very nervous because we were close to shoot, and I couldn't even walk, so I couldn't even put my foot on the floor. But a lot of physiotherapy I managed to get back on my foot, and I managed to shoot, although with a bandaged ankle and in excruciating pain, because we were also shooting where it was really very cold. So that doesn't help when you have an injury. The cold really doesn't help with that. But all in all, I realized that action is thrilling. It gets my blood pumping, and I hope to do a lot more as far as action is concerned.
So कोई ऐसा किक हाउस में कोई ऐसा एक्शन सीक्वेंस था जिसको सीखने में या जिसकी ट्रेनिंग लेने में वलूशा को बहुत टफ लगा और सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग रहा हो वो?
Whole process was difficult, but like I said, at the end of the day, when you see your blood and sweat and ligament tear and broken bones coming together, it's just such a satisfying feeling, you know. So I'm just happy with what I see.
That's really interesting. There is an ensemble cast into it. Rajesh Telang है इसमें, Shreya Pilgaonkar is there, Ankur Bhatia who has done अभी रिसेंटली उनकी पीछे एक सीरीज आई थी आर्या, तो उनको हमने हसीना पार्कर में भी देखा. इनफैक्ट द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द सीरीज अपूर्व लखिया, जिन्होंने अब तक काफी सारे एक्शन मूवीज को डायरेक्ट किया है. हाउ अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग विद द कास्ट एंड क्रू?
Oh, so this was an amazing cast to be working with. Shreya, of course, I'd worked with before when we both debuted with Fan 2016. So yeah, so it was a coming together again. Apurva is a taskmaster, and Apurva constantly cracks jokes, and you're not quite sure if he's actually cracking a joke or he's being sarcastic. He's constantly pulling everyone's legs on set, so it's difficult to keep up with him, but he's a lot of fun, and I love the way he shoots. For me, it was the first experiencing shooting back to back, so there's no time to get lethargic or lazy on set. He knew which scene would come after the next, and he was all prepared. So it's a crew that came together well prepared, really focusing on the job. And Saqib is again great to work with, and all of us, rehearsing together, all of us doing our readings together. It was a great bunch of people. I had a lot of fun.
In fact, if I talk of Bollywood king like Shah Rukh Khan, तो उनसे तो आपका बचपन से रहता है ना? You started doing an ad with him, if I'm not wrong, है ना? And then after that also you did work with him, and in Fan also you worked with him. So how was the experience with Shah Rukh?
So doing an ad with Shah Rukh at the age of 17 when I shot for Pepsi with Shah Rukh was it was great. It was I mean, for me that will always be very special. And then working with him in Fan so many years down the line, it was amazing to see that he never changed as a human being. He stayed humble, and again he comes with a wealth of knowledge. So for me, it was a learning experience, and what I really loved about him is he loves to talk about his family so much. He loves to talk about his kids all the time. So that was very refreshing to see, and of course very intimidating to shoot with him. There were times when I'm trying to say a line and give a take, and I'm getting it wrong, and because I'm getting it wrong, I'm thinking I'm getting all worked out because I'm making him wait. But he was all cool, all calm, all together. Valusha, don't worry, you didn't get the line, you can do it again, why don't you do it this way? And the more calm he was, the more nervous I would get, but it was fun to work with.
I think if I ask for Valusha's favorite actors, who all you want to work with, Valusha?
Oh my gosh, there are so many actors that I would love to work with. The list is endless, but I have to say, given the new, given OTT right now, there's so much to explore, so much in terms of characters, in terms of content. Directors are thinking out of the box. So it's a great time for all of us as actors. So I'm just ready as an actor to deliver, and hoping that everybody goes out and watches this Crackdown, and they love it as much as I loved working on it.
Of course. If we see Valusha time back, है ना? So we see Valusha as a supermodel. Then the transition came. Then she became a host, है ना? You hosted a reality show. Then you became an actress. So how has this transition be like for you? How has your journey be like so far, and what all are your experiences working into this industry?
So for me, modeling, I was discovered at the age of 16 by designer Wendell Rodericks, who was also a fellow Goan. Unfortunately, he is not with us anymore. He passed away a couple of months ago. But thanks to him, I am where I am today, and I was fortunate enough to have him in my life, and he held my hand through a lot, you know, through my journey. And modeling was something I just loved doing, and it will always be my baby. It'll always be have a special place in my heart. But acting has always been a passion, and acting is something I've always wanted to do. Again, coming from Goa, and I have song and dance and theatre in my veins, because any Goan you will know, given a chance, they would start singing anytime, anywhere. So that I've always had in my veins. In school as well, always, you know, theatre. I would be on the sports field. You could very rarely find me in the classroom, which would annoy my teachers, but they love me. So, yeah, and hosting, I got an opportunity, and I said, hey, why not? I think we all here have a lot of responsibilities in life. I know I have my share of those. So I look at work as an opportunity, and I look at it with a lot of gratitude, and you know, I accept what comes my way. I've never planned my life out. I've never said that, oh, a year from now I'll see myself, you know, in this space, and 5 years from now this is where I want to see myself. I've always just let life happen to me and just take it as it comes. So yeah, I got.
And it is unpredictable, as we all know.
Yeah, exactly. So I just looked at it as great opportunities, and why not? You know, I don't want to restrict myself.
Okay, that's really interesting. Acha, you said na ki singing is into your blood, hai na? So in every Goan.
Don't make me sing. Don't make me sing.
Your favorite tracks. So which all are the songs that are on your playlist at home?
My playlist. I think so. I listen to a lot of Dua Lipa right now. She's on my playlist just about now. Miley Cyrus has come up with some great new tracks, so I'm listening to her. My all-time favorite performer has to be Beyonce, actually. So I love her music. I love her performance. Yeah, she's amazing.
And I love the frame in which you are sitting. You're sitting into your garden.
My balcony, yes, that's it.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful, yeah. Just like you are.
Thank you.
So, are you singing a song for us? Your favorite track?
You want me to sing?
Yeah, of course.
I think I'll just stick to acting. I'll just stick to acting.
Okay, so all the very, very best to Alusha for Crackdown, and we want to see you more often in like original series, in movies, in web series, है ना? So please keep coming and keep entertaining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And just want to tell everybody out there, make sure that on the 23rd of September, please download Boot Select. Please watch my show. All through us, at least if it's not for me, for my poor ankle with my ligament tear, I just gave it everything. It's all heart, and I hope you guys watch it, and I hope you guys love it.
And all your fans would watch it for you. You don't have to say
I hope so.
Thank you so much, Alusha, for talking to Punjab.
Thank you so much.
Please stay.
Bye.